Hey date fans, it's Claire, back with another Medjool masterpiece for your Monday meal plan. Let's go. A favorite in Morocco, this incredibly juicy and delicious salad will delight your taste buds for a nice morning wake-up breakfast or an afternoon pick-me-up. Simple to make, great to toss in a container for the bus or train. This salad is easy and refreshing. Let me show you how easy it is to make. Oranges, these are the cara ones. Ground cinnamon, toasted almonds, and of course, Natural Delights Medjool dates. Juice one orange, then peel the others. Chop the almonds. Look at these dates, they're so sweet and soft, they're perfect for this. Chop those up, then throw everything together in a bowl. Add the juice, and that's it. And keep those great tips coming to your inbox by subscribing to our YouTube page.